In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy timeline in Davinci Resolve. First, let's navigate to the timeline view options located in the top left corner of the edit page. You will see a gear icon or a drop-down that signifies different views for your timeline. This is an essential step because the timeline view options allow you to modify how your timelines are displayed. By enabling certain features, you can enhance your editing workflow significantly. Take a moment to look around the interface. Familiarity with this area will help you work more efficiently as you edit. Once you find the timeline view options, you can proceed to the next step. Now, let's enable stacked timelines. This option is crucial because it allows you to view multiple timelines at once, making it easier to manage your projects. When you enable stacked timelines, you will notice that your timelines will appear vertically stacked on your screen. This view helps you compare and edit timelines side by side. It can also save a lot of time when you are working with multiple sequences. Make sure you take a glance at how the stacked timelines look on your screen. It is a simple feature, but it makes a big difference in your editing efficiency. Next, right-click on the timeline tab that you want to duplicate. This is an important action because it enables you to create an exact copy of your current timeline. When you right-click, a context menu will appear giving you multiple options. Look for the option that says Duplicate and select it. This step is particularly helpful if you want to experiment with changes on a copy without affecting the original timeline. It keeps your original work safe while you explore new edits. You might see an indication of the duplication process confirming that your timeline has been successfully copied. Once that is done, take a moment to check the newly duplicated timeline. You will see it listed alongside the original on your screen. This confirmation is important because it reassures you that your duplication was successful. Being able to see both timelines allows you to compare them quickly. It's a great way to keep track of different versions of your project. Now, you can start working on the duplicated timeline without any fear of losing your original edits. At this point, make sure to name your duplicated timeline appropriately. Renaming helps keep your projects organized. You can easily identify what each timeline contains, which saves you time when you return to your project later. To rename it, simply double-click on the name of the duplicated timeline. This small but significant action will prevent confusion down the line. Proper organization is key to a smooth editing process. After that, feel free to dive into your newly duplicated timeline. Begin making the edits or adjustments you desire. Whether you are adding effects, trimming clips, or adjusting audio levels, you now have the freedom to explore without any worries. This step is valuable because it allows for creativity without risk. You can make bold changes, knowing you have a backup of your original work. With everything set, you are now ready to continue your editing journey in Davinci Resolve. Remember, mastering the timeline features will greatly enhance your editing efficiency. You are doing great, and each step you take builds your skills further. Enjoy the process and happy editing.